Hello viewers, how are you? I am fine, thank you very much. Welcome to the Make Money YouTube channel. The present time, the biggest marketplace, YouTube. Make money on YouTube is the possible, but it's taken time, effort and description. Here are some steps you can take in monetization on YouTube channel. YouTube, how to make money YouTube, lot of income for this YouTube channel. The first time YouTube channel, the blogging, the highly content creation, the first time step making money on YouTube, they create content, the people want to watch your, the content should be unique information and the engagement. The YouTube requirement, the monetization option, the 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch time is the requirement of your blogging, the unique content making the income for this YouTube channel or YouTube. The lot of way the YouTube channel, completely YouTube channel working, the video editing, YouTube channel create, YouTube banner create, YouTube intro, outro, lower thread, upper thread, and YouTube monetization package, YouTube thumbnail, video editing, a lot of way to make money of marketplace. The Fiverr marketplace, Upwork marketplace, freelancer marketplace. The lot of way, the LinkedIn, the social media, social network, the Google search, the local market, international market, all over the market, the income or YouTube working. You are the 100% qualified and quality work, quality service then of YouTube. The watch time, view, subscriber service, YouTube channel SEO service, video SEO service, lot of way. I have the practical class then on Fiverr marketplace, the how to make money or YouTube. YouTube, the unique income, the YouTube blogging, the content create, funny videos, playing, education, tutorial, etc. etc. The create quality content. The first step, the make money on YouTube is creating content the people want to watch. Your content should be unique, informative and the engagement. Build an audience. You need to have a subtitles audience before you can start make money on YouTube. You can do this. The programming, promoting your channel, social media, celebration with their YouTube and creating content, the application and your targeted audience. Join the YouTube partner programs. YouTube partner program always create the monetization. There are videos by display ads. The join of program, the need have a lasted 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch time. The watch hour in this part of 12 month. Enable monetization on your videos once your partner of the YouTube partners programs. You can enable monetization on your videos by selecting the monetization tab in your YouTube Studio dashboard. Create sponsored content. You can also make money on YouTube by creating sponsored content, the invaluable partnering with brands to create contain the programs. There are products, so service or service. Sell merchant. Another way to make money on YouTube to sell merchants such as t-shirt, shirt, hang, channel, etc. Remember, make money on YouTube take time and effort and success is the generate in important and focus focused on creating quality content and build a lovely audience rather than just charging view and click. Make money on YouTube possible but taken time, effort and audience as some step on taken monetization your channel. Ad revenue. When your channel reaches, then YouTube partner programs of 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour. Can you apply monetize your videos? The affiliate marketing, you earn a commission by programming product or service in your videos and including affiliate link in description. Merchanting, you can small merchant relation between channels, search the t-shirt, shirt, etc. your views. Crowdfunding, you can use crowdfunding platforms such as Partner, Kickstarter to any your views, support or your content. The finally, YouTube Premium, you can earn the share of YouTube Premium subscription revenue if your content is watched by YouTube Premium subscriber. Remember, creating quality content and build lovely audience key to make money on YouTube. Hello friends, the lot of way earned of YouTube channel, YouTubing working, you are YouTuber, how to create the blog, teaching blog, education channel, funny blog, daily blog, motion blog, tour blog, travel blog, etc. Lot of blogging, create a YouTube channel, tour and travel and blog, etc. How to make money, lot of YouTube work. The first time your local market and international market, the very important side of YouTube make money, the video editing. Video editing is a vital rules of YouTube platform. As a your content maker, you first time needed YouTube video editing. The lot of software uses video editing, Filmora, Mobile CapCut, KineMaster, Camtasia 9, Adobe Premiere, etc. You can search by YouTube channel, the video editing software, how to search in Google, your computer, your mobile, lot of apps, lot of software, presentation, your front or desktop. You can easy practice than any video editing software. Your video editing software, how to make money, lot of make money, gain of online platform and Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer and etc. local market or international market, marketplace, out of marketplace. The second time, design of the lot of way they make money, the YouTube channel design, banner design, logo design, set up YouTube, the lot of needed, the marketplace, local market, international market, out of market, freelancer, Upwork, lot of work, the YouTube channel create design, the marketplace, intro, outro, layout, upper layer, upper third, lower third, etc. The how to lot of make money, the graphic design on YouTube, and then thumbnail create, banner create, etc. The third position, the very important and vital to the search engine optimization on YouTube, the on-page optimization and off-page optimization. On-page optimization, BDIQ and TubeBuddy. Uses the two software, two tools, your computer, your mobile, the TubeBuddy and BIDQ software. This tool uses the 100% unique content, unique keyword, uses your channel tag and hashtag. This is what the lot of demand, the marketplace, Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer, local market, international market, social media marketplace, LinkedIn, etc. The lot of demand, the YouTube search engine optimization, on page search engine, off page search engine, the sharing your videos, the social network, social platform, etc. Hello friends, you can just one skill gather, then YouTube skill gather, the lot of money, make money income, online marketplace. You can choose the own income, the YouTube monetization partner policy, the 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour. This is the own income YouTube partner policy, advertising, sponsor, etc. Lot of people, they create YouTube channel, needed video editor. The local market, lot of demand, video editor, and international market, Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, social media, etc. You can search lot of marketplace on Google search bar. Hi friend, you excellency gather YouTube skill, the how to lot of make money, the online platform. Again to repeat, total information, YouTube, creating blog, monetization, content creator, video editing, thumbnail design, banner design, total YouTube channel setup, video SEO, channel SEO, etc. How to make money, lot of marketplace. Again to repeat, make money on YouTube is possible, but it's time, effort, and description. Here are some steps you can take in to monetization your YouTube channel. Create quality content. The first step to make money on YouTube, to create content the people want to watch. Your content should be unique, informative, and engagement. Build an audience. You need to have a subtitle audience before you can start make money on YouTube. You can do this. Promote your channel on social media, collaboration with other YouTubers, and creative content the affairs to your targeted audience. Join the YouTube partner program. The YouTube partner program always create to monetization videos by display and etc. 1400 requirement. Hello friend, you are YouTube working, the lot of make money. You can one skill gather how to lot of make money, just YouTubing, then of video editing and graphic design, logo design, YouTube logo design, banner design, thumbnail design, and channel design. YouTube search engine optimization, YouTube is sponsored, lot of way the marketplace. So you can try to teach this project and you can start today. Join the YouTube making travel blog, education, etc. Thank you. You must be request them the subscribe and your comment sharing my video. I hope that the request. Thank you my audience. Thank you my viewers. Goodbye.